Welcome back to ShopTalk. This week, we're talking about negotiating favorable terms with your parts suppliers. Running a successful auto repair shop requires more than just wrenches and technical know-how. One of the key elements to sustaining a thriving business is effective negotiation with auto parts suppliers. Securing favorable terms and building strong, long-term relationships with suppliers can significantly impact your bottom line. In today's video, we will explore valuable tips to enhance your negotiation skills and highlight the benefits of cultivating lasting partnerships with your suppliers. Start by doing your homework. Before entering negotiations, research the market and understand the pricing structures for the auto parts you need. Armed with knowledge, you'll be better positioned to negotiate fair and competitive rates. Familiarize yourself with the standard industry terms and practices to ensure you're getting the best deal. Volume matters. Suppliers are often willing to offer better pricing and terms for larger orders. Consider consolidating your orders or negotiating bulk deals to take advantage of volume discounts. Communicate your business growth plans to suppliers, emphasizing the potential for increased orders in the future. Build relationships. Establishing a rapport with your suppliers is crucial. Attend industry events, engage in conversations, and get to know the people behind the business. A personal connection can lead to more favorable terms and better communication when challenges arise. Remember, it's not just about the transaction, it's about building a partnership. Explore payment terms. Negotiate payment terms that align with your cash flow. Extended payment terms or discounts for early payments can be beneficial for both parties. Be transparent about your financial capabilities and work towards a mutually beneficial agreement. Seek exclusivity agreements. If feasible, explore the possibility of exclusivity agreements with key suppliers. Offering exclusivity in exchange for better pricing or priority service can be a win-win situation. However, ensure that the terms are reasonable and sustainable for your business. Mastering the art of negotiation with auto parts suppliers can significantly enhance the efficiency and profitability of your auto repair shop. Remember, successful negotiation is not just about getting the best price, but also about fostering mutually beneficial partnerships that can contribute to the long-term success of your shop. Implement these tips and watch your business thrive as you build a robust and reliable supply chain. Want more Shop Talk? Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as well as follow our other platforms for more videos to help your business reach its greatest potential.